ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abdurrahman Ali. Today, inshallah, I'm going to talk about the mechanical engineering degree. That's after you graduate from CCQ, what you can do or where you can apply for. So, in this presentation, I'm going to concentrate on Qatar Energy website and what you can find on that website and how you can apply. So first of all, before I'm talking about this one deeply, I need to identify what Qatar Energy is, because you are going to apply for it. So, Qatar Energy is the national energy company of the state of Qatar. It is tasked with the primary responsibilities of sustainability, developing the country's oil and gas resources, and spearheading the continued growth of Qatar's energy industry. Briefly in this presentation, I will discuss about Qatar Energy website job application for mechanical engineer opportunities, especially for pipelines. Also, I will include some important interviews, questions and answers that is highly recommended to follow. So guys, in this possible job opportunities in Qatar Energy, I found you can have those possible or job that you can apply for. First of all, maintenance engineer, you have a drilling engineer, you have pipeline engineer, HSC engineer, which is for safety, and mechanical design engineer. So I will concentrate for pipeline engineer. Okay, so what is the possible or what is the most important for me is the pipeline engineer. So now the job description for pipeline engineer on the website is saying like this: designing, implementing and maintaining the pipeline infrastructure, overseeing the construction and pipeline operations, performing maintenance and repairing pipelines, ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Those are the job description for pipeline engineering. Then I found also the possible job roles and responsibilities is conducting site surveys, establishing and developing digital designs, designing and developing pipeline systems, conducting feasibility studies and cost analysis for pipeline projects. Those are some possible jobs and rules, on the website. Also, what they need, the basic qualifications and requirements that they need for this job. First of all, they need bachelor's degree in mechanical engineer, having previous internship or experience in pipeline design and construction, skilled in using pipeline design software, including Pipeline Studio and AutoCAD. So this is very important. You have to concentrate more on AutoCAD. Lastly, deep knowledge of FSMA regulation, PHSMA regulations. Those are very important. It's what we call it, pipelines health safety. Then the basic required skills for that job is good communication, strong time management, excellence knowledge of pipeline integrity management system, and also you need good skills in project planning, scheduling, and budgeting. Those are the most important basic required skills. Okay, and now basic required soft skills. For example, excellent problem solving skills, good analytical thinking, collaboration, teamwork, and leadership skill, critical thinking, which is the brainstorming for solving any issues, guys. So now also the possible technical challenges faced by pipeline engineer. I found that terrain and environmental consideration include mountains, deserts, rivers, and urban areas, the structural integrity of the pipeline system, designing a pipeline system that ensure effective hydraulic performance, proper flow rates and pressure levels, determine the ideal route for the pipeline. So basically here is telling you all these challenges faced by pipeline engineer. he must put in consideration all those problems or all these issues. You have to fix them before you are going for this job. Now, what are the possible interpersonal challenges that you might face if employed for that job? So here it's telling you that creating and maintaining healthy and positive professional or personal relationships, it's really difficult to, or it's a challenge, but you can override this challenge by talking to people and communication skills, and you have to be being a good listener, and also control and affection. Okay, those can help you to override these challenges. Now, how would you be able to handle or overcome these challenges? So, like I said, social connection and positive relationships, and learning how to communicate risk as well as propose solutions, understanding what's being said and providing a positive, useful response. Knowing about interpersonal needs gives us a better sense of why we seek out or avoid certain situations, as well as why we seek to have those needs met. So basically here is telling you how you can overcome any challenges, not only the previous ones. You can overcome any challenges by doing those 4 things. Now, how would be promoted if employed for that job opportunities? So I found out that in Qatar Energy or any industrial facility, they have the company provide a program called Individual Development Plan, which is IDP. The program can be achieved within 3, 4, and 5 years. It depends on the employee and how fast can he learn or finish the task. So it consists of some tasks. It depends also on the person himself. Some people are intelligent, they can finish it quickly. Okay, so depends on the person himself. And now, lastly, I provided some possible interview questions for the job opportunity and their answers. So I wrote down 20 possible or the most important questions that you will face during your interview. So please make sure that you concentrate and to know how to handle these questions. Okay, so for example, do you have any previous experience? Okay. And the second question is, are you able to work under stress? Can you work on shifts duty? In case of emergency, can you be at work even on weekend? Can you travel abroad for courses? See, those are questions very important, and I provide some answers on that one, so I cannot talk all the time about them. You can go to the slides and check all the answers that I provide. Those are the most important questions that I noticed about them. So also you will get expected salary and what is your knowledge about the job? Why are you targeting this position? Can you train other fresh graduate for the same position that you have now? That's one after you have been selected or employed with that company. They will ask you about this one. And also, would you mind to work with different nationalities? This question is very, very crucial. So you have to know what the answer is. Okay, and now, can you work at height? You know, because in the industry, you have to climb up, like they call it a monkey ladder or something like that. So it depends on you. Some people, they are afraid of height or something like that. So it depends on the person. Okay, but you must know that there is some heights on the sites. Now, can you be a trainee for a long period? This one, the training on Qatar Energy, sometimes it lasts for 2 years. It depends on the program that you will put in. Okay. And also, what are the company goals? You have to know that. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? This is also one of the most important questions. So you have to know how to answer it. Can you work on different area other than your major? So this question is also they're gonna ask you for analytic. So they will analyze you if you are keen or would like to work with another job other than your major. And those are the last 5 questions. Can you work on Ras Laffan or Musaid locations? Because all the planets located there. So sometimes they will tell you that can you work offshore? So offshores will be on the sea, basically on the sea. They have platforms there, so they will ask you also about them. And where did you hear or know about us? So it depends also on the person, but from the career affair, it's the best answer. What kind of risk are you aware of on the planet site? So also, can you work on offshore platforms? This is also the same of the previous one. After that, they will tell you, feel free to ask any question would you like about the company or about the job you applied to. So now here, actually, they will tell you what kind of a question do you have. So you will answer, you will feel free to ask any question. For example, how much is my salary, or what kind of job I'm going to be in for the first 6 months, or something like that, or what kind of training program that you are gonna put me in. So that's it, guys, and thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you next time.